everything that you want to go. Welcome to the party that never ends, Seven Seas Le Carnival. And right now we're at one of the interesting projects in Jomtien area, Seven Seas Le Carnival. It's so beautiful, and this project is very interesting because they have a lot of things that you will never find in other area, such as like the common area. They have like on the top they have bar and restaurant, which is like for the whole floor, which is 26th floor, and it's so beautiful, so luxurious. On 27 and on 28th floor is also common area as well. You will have the quality gym, sauna, spa, meeting room, co-working space, and sky garden on the rooftop, plus swimming pool with the insane Pattaya view. So beautiful. And this project is located on the prime location in Jomtien Second Road, Boon Alley, 1.2 kilometers to Jomtien Beach, and close to the city area and everywhere that you want to go. I will start the tour from one bedroom, 34.5 square meters. And right now we are in the one bedroom showroom, but I will start from that area because over there is gonna be the door, and once you step inside your room, the first thing you're gonna see is your kitchen as always. Okay, over here this is your kitchen area that you have everything you need, like the sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, and storage under the sink to put all your stuff. And right next to it, this is the dining area that can sit up to 2 people. That's very practical. And over here, this is your refrigerator, or if you want bigger size, you can put a bigger size. You have enough space also, yeah. And come over here, this is your living area. So beautiful and so cozy. I like everything that they design, like the decoration, the color, and yeah, basically just everything, because it looks like it can go along together. And so cozy. You can sitting here, relaxing, and enjoy your favorite TV show with the AC that cool up your room. So cool. And let me show you the bedroom. And right now we're in the bedroom already. So beautiful, it's so luxurious. You see like everything that they use here, so beautiful. You have king size bed, or you want to put the bigger one is possible also, and plus your giant window over there. And over here, this is your walk-in closet. I love it, it's so lovely. You have like the closet over here, so you can put like everything, your clothes, your bags, and also have the makeup stand behind me. So lovely. And it right next to the bathroom. So beautiful. You have the big mirror with the big sink and also the toilet. And this is your shower area that you have the rain shower, and this is like the regular one that you always have in your house nowadays. And over here, I think, oh, this is like a hotel. This is like a hotel. When I go to Bangkok, they always have like this space. I don't know what for. Maybe just like sitting here when you shower. And also, this is like the glass window that when you shower, you can see outside what's going on. This is so cool. And right now we are walking to the building to see the actual common area. I'm so excited. Let's see how it's gonna be. Wow, so hot. No, I'm joking. It's so beautiful. Like right now, they just like put the what I call the sliders and swimming pool, and over there they have like the playground for the kids. So almost finished. So beautiful. And let's see the common area in the building. Do you know where are we right now? I guess you don't know. Right now we're on 26th floor. It's so beautiful. This floor is the common area that is like the bar and restaurant, and is like the big area that you can set up the party this side. And over here, this is the restaurant and bar. This is the counter bar that, like, as you can see, is so big, and you can have some drinks whenever you have your family and your friend come visit you. So perfect. And you see, like, the view, this is insane. So beautiful. You have like the view of Jomtien beach, so beautiful. And right here you have like this area is included also, and you can choose what spot you want to sit and have small chat with your friend. And I like this spot the best because you see it's perfect for taking a picture for my Instagram. And okay, let me show you another area that's so exciting and interesting because this is only one in Pattaya. Ta-da! You see the design and the color. This one is the cigar room because over there they're not allowed to smoke, and over here if you smoke the cigar you can come over here and enjoy your time when after you finish food and you want some cigar, you know. So beautiful. It makes me feel about, how to say, like the old money, something like that. You see the couch and the material and the design, everything is like go together, it matches. Plus the view. Giant window over there. So this is the daytime, and I think when it's evening, you can see the sunset over here. So beautiful and romantic. I like it. You see? You can see the beach over here. I mean like the ocean, sorry. So today is a little bit clouded, so you don't really see the ocean, but in a normally, so beautiful. Blue color from the ocean. Perfect life. Cigar room, that's not enough. This is wine cellar, so whenever you get wine from somewhere else, you can put it here. So cool. And let me show you other spot. So excited. Not only relaxation area, this is your workplace, co-working space. So beautiful, so big, and plus insane view. And this is private meeting room. And if you say, Anya, my team have a lot of people, so this is the bigger meeting room. And this is the place for people who love watching movie. Cinema room, oh my god, can seat up to 12 people. And where's my popcorn? A good life must come with a good health. This is your fitness center, and it's not enough. It's so big. You have more than enough like machine. So basically you have everything here. Oh my god, I'll show you. Okay, I'm tired, but never mind. You see? You have everything you need. And this is the rooftop that you can see the Pattaya view. And this is Pattaya view from Seven Seas Condo. Beautiful. So sorry, I forgot to mention about the buildings earlier. So this project total, they have 4 buildings, 2 low-rise and 2 high-rise. This is the building A, 8 floors, building B, 28 floors, building C as well, and building D as well. So the starting price is 2.69 million baht. And foreigner quota is available. It's a prime location. It's good investment because it's close to everything like supermarket, Jomtien Beach, and city center as well. And this project is under construction right now and scheduled to hand over this December 1st. And that's not all from Seven Seas Le Carnival. They also have the smallest studio and 2-bedroom unit. If you want the bigger one, just contact us anytime. Select Sales Center, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.